So we're gonna unbox and I'm gonna show you guys this awesome wireless headset. Now this is good for office. This is great for if you're working in home and you wanna use it's not just a headset alone. It's a headset plus a mic, and you could speak, you could listen. This thing stand by for 2 hours. Talk time over 18 hours. This is the best budget price one. And inside here you could see right here, charge, really easy, USB, clear. You could hear your calls loud, perfectly clear. This thing is pretty good. I dealt with this company before. It's a pretty good company, and their stuff has been really good so far. I'm not gonna make it up because I'm unboxing this. I'm letting you guys know. They do have good quality stuff. So I needed a headset because if you work from home like me, I work from home. You take calls, you want to talk, you want to cook, you want to do a lot of stuff, and this is something we need. So we're gonna show you this right here. Everything is plastic neat. So look at the gray color. Right here you can see the volume button. You could put it high or you could put it low. Right here you make the call. Look at that, and you can see the little speaker there. So this comes like that. So, and then this one piece, this one side, it's a soft, if you guys can see it, soft, very soft cushion right there for your ears. And this is for the other side. You could see very soft, good leather material. And this one here is very skinny and strong, sturdy. So what I like about this too, it comes with a USB. So what do? You just plug this in here, and you plug this in the outlet for charge. This is your USB to connect. So that's pretty cool for the Bluetooth. And when you're charging, it's easy. You're charging, you just literally pop it like that, and that's it. It charged. So this is amazing. So this is a big plus. When if you're not looking to spend a lot of money and you need a headset with a microphone and you want to get your job done, this is definitely easy budget, and this could store right in your office desk, right in the corner, and you don't have to worry about messy wire or a lot of stuff like that. This is just one single wire that plugs in, plug it to charge. It does not lose. It's easy. You pop it right out, connect right here, and you talk. And we're gonna plug this in to charge it up. More price and details on this product, check in the description box below. When you plug this in right here, you're gonna see the little red light in the back, and you could keep this anywhere, as I said, in your office. And say you finish with your headset, what do? You just put it like that, and then you're gonna see the charging light comes on right there. So this is really good, as I said, for budget price. And definitely you want to hear loud and clear and speak loud and clear and